AAAPOS RetailManager version 14 installation and database upgrade. Welcome to this AAAPOS training video. In this guide, we will walk you through how to install RetailManager version 14 and upgrade your database. Before you begin, make sure all computers running RetailManager are closed. We also recommend completing this process outside business hours. Install RetailManager version 14. To download and install the latest version, locate the installation email from AAAPOS with your download link. If not received, contact support on 1300 555 115 or support@aapos.com. Click the download link and wait for the file to download. Double-click the downloaded file. Click Yes to allow changes. Click Next. Accept the license agreement and click Next. Click Next again, then click Install. If a previous version of RetailManager is detected, you will be prompted to uninstall it. It can be sometimes displayed behind the RetailManager version 14 installation windows. Click Finish to proceed. After installation, a message will appear about dockets and reports. Version 14 creates updated layouts with increased character limits. If you want to keep your existing layouts, open the backup folder, copy the dockets and reports folders. Then paste them into C drive RetailM and overwrite the files. Then finish. Now, upgrade your database. Open RetailManager using the new desktop icon. When prompted, click Yes to upgrade your database. Click Next to begin, then wait for the process to complete. Once finished, click Finish. If prompted to upgrade another shopfront and you only have one, select No. To finish, go to File, then select Open Shopfront. Choose your shopfront and open it as normal. Your installation and upgrade are now complete. Repeat the same process on all computers, excluding the database upgrade. If you need help, contact AAAPOS support.